On the hikes with me.
Yeah, agreed. I used to take my dog with me on all my hikes. It's so nice. You said your dog is old?
15 years old.
Yeah.
And he's not made for this. He's like he's raised as a lap puppy. He cannot take anything close to. He needs to be trained since since he's a young kid.
How long have you had him?
Forever.
Forever, okay.
Since he's a puppy. As a puppy, he used to fit right in my palm.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you haven't been over since Jan got the puppies.
Oh.
Yeah, Jan has 2 puppies.
Wow, 2 puppies.
Yep.
Well, that'll keep her busy.
There's 3 dogs now.
That'll keep her busy, plenty busy.
Oh yeah, she loves it.
The other puppy is getting older too.
They're 2 little black chihuahuas.
Yeah.
Very cute.
My boy is getting old, but I think he got at least an year of life. So let's see.